Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: square root of x plus square root of x equals to x. You're supposed to find the value of x, right? Then here, solution. Then here we have to copy what we have square root of x plus square root of x, which is equals to x. Then by grouping this square root of x, we shall write that 2 square root of x equals to x, right? Then here, what are we supposed to do? We shall divide by 2 divided by 2 to get what? Square root of x equals to x over 2. In order to remove this square root we have, we shall square both sides to get x equals to x squared over 2 over 4. Then by using cross multiplication, we shall write 4x equals to x squared, right? Then here we shall write this one as square root of x squared, which is equal to 4x, right? Then of course this will be x squared minus 4x, which is equal to 0. By factorizing here x to get what? X minus 4 equals to 0. Then we shall write that x equals to 0, or x minus 4 equals to 0. Then of course x equals to 0, or x equals to 4. Then here we can check if our solution is correct, because we have given square root of x plus square root of x equals to x. Then here we shall see at this stage we have square root of 0 plus square root of 0 equals to 0, and of course this is 0, which is equals to 0. Then by using this one, square root of 4 plus square root of 4 equals to 4, question mark. Square root of 4 is equals to 2 plus square root of 4 is equals to 2, which is equal to 4, and 4 equals to 4, and means that this is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, share and subscribe. Bye bye.